Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accelerate. 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 Accelerate is a verb that means to increase in speed or to cause something to speed up. It is commonly used in various contexts to describe the act of making something go faster. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Pressing the gas pedal will accelerate the car, causing it to move faster. Why accelerate is used in example number 1. Accelerate is used to explain how pushing the gas pedal increases the speed of the car. Example number 2. The company plans to accelerate the production of the new smartphones to meet high demand. Why accelerate is used in example number 2. Accelerate is used to describe the company's intention to increase the speed of smartphone production to keep up with demand. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.